Hello friends, welcome to Learn French with Tejaswini. Today I am going to cover additional adjective rules part 3 and irregular adjectives for masculine to feminine. So masculine to feminine additional rules and irregular adjectives effective for all students SSC, HSC, CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE and IB and the beginners learning the language A0 level, A1 level and A2 level and everyone who want to learn. So the masculine to feminine additional adjective rules making an adjective feminine. Some words ending in EUR in masculine changes to EUSC in feminine. And there are some other adjective words also which are ending in EUR in masculine. They change to EURE in feminine. So I'm covering the first example group. Masculine singular travailleur, that is TRAVAILLEUR, changes to travailleurs, TRAVAILLEUSC, that is hardworking. Then rêveur changes to rêveuse, that is dreamer. Menteur changes to menteuse, that is liar. And fumeur changes to fumeurs, that is the person who smokes. And the other group, inférieur, changes to inférieur, that is inferior. Now please see, here the pronunciation is the same, inferior, inferior, it is the same. Only thing is, in feminine you are just going to add E over there. Then the next word, superior, it is superior, that is superior. Anterior is anterior with E and that is interior. Meilleur, that is meilleur with E and that is better. Then going to some other group of words also. Some words ending in TEUR in masculine changes to TRICE in feminine. And there are some other adjective words also which are ending in ET in masculine changes to TE in feminine. So the first group I am explaining, that is protecteur changes to protectrice, that is protective. Then conservateur changes to conservatrice, that is conservative. Admirateur changes to admiratrice, that is the admirer. Accusateur changes to accusatrice, that is the accuser. And there are some other words also which are ending in ET. They change to TE in feminine. So over here it is complet changes to complete. Now please see, in the first one it is complet, that is the T sound I am not pronouncing, and when it is becoming feminine I am saying it to th sound. So that is complete, th sound is coming. So that is complet is complete, that is full. Then concret is concrete, that is concrete. Inquiet is inquiète, that is worried. And secret is secrète, that is secret. Now we will go to masculine to feminine irregular adjectives. Now see, there are many adjective rules in French and here I am covering the irregular adjective rules. Now some words in the ending, whatever is there, the ending in feminine is different. So it is termed as irregular adjectives. So I am explaining here. Beau, it can also be belle, that is handsome, becomes belle, BELLE, that is beautiful. And beau and belle, BEL, that belle comes before masculine singular noun starting with a vowel or a silent H. So it changes to EL. Then the next thing, nouveau becomes nouvelle. And in feminine it is nouvelle, ELLE, that is new. Then jumeau becomes jumelle, that is twins. Now see, basically twins are always written in plural form. So jumelle does not happen. JUMEL does not happen. It is always termed in the plural sense only. Now here I have given the singular, but it is always termed in plural for the twins. Then the next thing, blanc becomes blanche, that is white. Now see, the CH sound in French is sh. So it is blanc, blanche. Then the next thing, franc, franche, that is frank. Then sec, it is sèche, that is dry. Then the next thing, grec is grec. The pronunciation is the same. but in feminine you will add QUE, and this means the nationality, Greek nationality. Then Turk is Turk, that is nationality Turkish. Then Du is Dus, that is sweet or gentle. Then fo is false, that is false or wrong. Then long is long, the same pronunciation, and the meaning in English is also long. Then fre is fresh, and that is fresh. Then vir is viai, and in feminine it is viai, ILLE, that is old. Then foo is fall, and in feminine it is foll, FOLLE, that is mad. Then moo is moll, and also moll, MOLLE, that is soft. So similarly, like the above things, belle nouvelle, similarly for vieux, folle and molle, these adjective words come before masculine singular nouns starting with a vowel or the silent H. Then the next thing, intellectuel is intellectuel, ELLE, that is intellectual. Cruel is cruel, that is cruel. So the masculine to feminine adjective rules, making an adjective feminine. Please go through all the videos as many rules are covered regarding how to make an adjective masculine to feminine. And as your knowledge will be deeper in the language, you will come to know each rule very easily. You will get in-depth knowledge of the French grammar at Learn French with Tejaswini. So please forward this information to your friends and tell them to subscribe so that they won't miss even one video. In the next video, I will cover exercises based on all masculine to feminine adjective rules. If you have liked this video, please click on like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you soon at Learn French with Tejaswini.